Hello everybody, Zeff here with ZeffsTrading. Hope you guys are doing well. Thursday, May 9th, 2024, going to be doing our chart review. Very slow day, once again. This is just how it's been this whole week, but let's just jump right into it. I'm guessing tomorrow is just going to be the same as well. Even with the market moving higher, not many setups for us, unfortunately. Anyways, pre-market here, the first trade that I saw was a first entry, second entry short failure. Good signal bar closing on its high. That's 743, moves up, break, couple tests of this range here at 52.15, and then you get a triple test, nice signal bar, double bar matching high 2, 1, 2, and 3. I really like that one. That one looks pretty good, leads to a pretty decent move down. And then it makes its way up here, and you do get a, let's see here, let me make this better. You get a first entry, second entry short failure. It's an inside bar, but you also have this move down and you never got a new low. So there's a couple ways to be looking at these trend channels here. You got this whole move up, little overshoot, break, makes a new high here with this really nice reversal bar, but you're basically just calling a top. So comes down, you get a first entry, second entry long, but unfortunately not a good signal bar, and you never get a higher low. And then it just makes its way up this trend channel. Then you get another first entry, second entry long, fails, comes down. You basically are just getting this 1, 2, 3 wedge pattern that L. Brooks talks about sometimes. So if you know, you know. But yeah, it makes its way higher here. You do get this higher low. And let me see if there's enough room. Again, it's only 4 tick scalp type of day. Maybe you take this trade. It is a higher low, but I just don't really like it that much. I mean, it's a good signal bar, maybe a limit order. Once it breaks higher, maybe you could catch a quick scalp, if that. But I really just don't like the risk to reward ratio on this either. But you got to take what you got to take on a day like this. So comes up, you get another 1, 2, 3. Just small little contraction wedge formation, and then another first entry, second entry long. You do get a failure here. And I did actually kind of like this one, except you're right into the EMA. And, if it was up here a little bit, it is a bearish bar, but maybe you take that one as well. This one definitely you can get a scalp out of. And you get that. So I think that one's not too bad. That's a failed second entry long there. And then you just kind of come up again, sells off, break, couple legs to a new low here. And it just gets really, really slow. And the only thing I really see from this is a first entry, second entry long, and that's a failure. My apologies. You do get a first entry, second entry long failure. Now this is a double matching bar high as well, and it does turn down here. You're not really taking this. You're just really looking at it. So it's not even marked here or anything like that. You're just looking that this is what the price action is doing, and you're counting it, and you're making sure you're understanding what's going on. You get a move down, and you get a break. You do get a higher low here, but unfortunately within this trading range, it's not a good signal bar either. And so then it comes up, it tests this again. Maybe you could argue for a 1, 2, 3 triple test on this bar, but again, then you're shorting right into the EMA, and I didn't really like that real time. Comes down, you get a first entry, second entry short, and I was tempted to take this one as well. And I think hindsight, I should have probably taken this one. I just didn't like how much congestion was across here, as you can see. Major overlapping bars, but again, one of those things where you got to take what you can get on a day like this. And so maybe you take that trade. Then just kind of leads to this spike channel. You just get a first entry, comes down, and then it just chops sideways for the rest of the day. And you just don't get any setup. You do get a first entry, second entry long, but it's a bad signal bar here, and you're almost at the end of the day anyways. So that's pretty much how I saw the day. Very, very short day, very boring day. Suspecting Friday will be the same. So I'm basically prepared for that now. But yeah, just kind of like a nice move up. Man, channel's higher. I mean, we're making new highs. On the daily chart, we're pushing higher. But unfortunately, on the intraday chart, we're not getting many setups. So it is what it is, I guess, and very low ATR again. I mean, barely 4 tick scalps with any high certainty of probability. So maybe you got to switch up to a different strategy. not 100% sure, or just sit out completely. Anyways, that's how I saw the market today. I know it's not very exciting, but that's just how it is sometimes. So, alrighty, see you guys tomorrow.